What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're at Disneyland, obviously, and it is Saturday, so we're doing our weekend update. Pixar Charlie's right there, and it's crowded.
It sure is, but we actually were great, and we didn't show up on a grad night.
No.
So that's cool. We have that going for us.
I think they're over, right?
I think they still go till the end of June.
Oh, okay. Partner statue, still the same on the weekend as it is midweek, but the line starts getting long for photos. Not yet, though. Coming early.
These are so pretty.
We're going to head over to New Orleans Square.
Yeah, because last time we started off in Tomorrowland, our last video.
Yeah.
So today we're going to mix it up.
We're going to keep it in the present, Charlie, because the last time
I'm getting a present?
No, Charlie, you're not getting a present.
Poor Charlie.
Sorry, I wasn't listening.
We're gonna keep it in the present tense.
Okay.
This Tomorrowland thing gets confusing, you know?
Oh, if you do tomorrow
If you do tomorrow today, I wonder if you did tomorrow yesterday, though.
Then it really gets confusing. That's what I'm saying.
Where are we? I'm already lost.
I don't know. Ask him. He seems to know where he's at.
Jiminy would know.
Jiminy would know.
What's up there, lady?
Pin trading is in full effect. You know what? Ever since they made the change, it's been more prevalent than it was before.
See, but I feel like I'm seeing it more on Saturdays. I feel like it's a weekend, like it's bigger on the weekends.
I don't know. I've seen it. It seems like it's big all the time now. But
was that during the week or weekend?
I don't know. I
We're
honestly
gonna have
don't
to
remember.
mark that down and think about it.
People are already queuing up for Fantasmic over here, and just kidding. It's just I don't know what it is.
I think that's the Imagination Campus is what it says.
Oh yeah, Imagination Campus. There you go.
Imagination Campus. Okay, but it's actually not too bad down in the Rivers of America. Like the crowds aren't super bad.
No.
You know how sometimes like right here you're like bobbing and weaving.
Ooh, we got texture on the water. Look at this. Little breeze happening.
Yeah, a little breeze. I wonder if it's gonna blow the clouds away a little bit.
I think it will because it's already starting to get brighter.
And it is humid again.
Yeah, it is.
Like it's another humid day. Like it looks like it's cold out here, but I'm like sweating. It's hot. So the breeze feels kind of good. It's a cool breeze.
Yeah.
Paying 25.
Yeah, 25 for Pirates, and it's it's going over the bridge.
It just now started going over the bridge, so it's kind of like, I don't know. It's so nice when the Pirates queue isn't going all the way back here. Like
I know, but pretty soon it's ready for it.
Oh yeah. It definitely thinks. Look, it's kind of starting to.
Yeah.
It's like because they'll only do half of the bridge, and then they'll start to come this way. And it's hard because they totally block off that walking path.
It's hard to estimate now when you see a crowd that we normally would see and go, yeah, that's 15 or whatever. Because Lightning Lane, Genie Plus is involved, you can't really tell the ratio of how many, Genie Pluses for every guest or whatever. So
it's true.
I don't know sometimes. You have to just try it and see.
Yeah, and I would say, just look at the sign that they have posted. But I have found lately, those have been so inaccurate. Like whenever we go on, we're like kind of testing. And they haven't really been right, so I don't know. Genie Plus, get out of here.
Yeah. Katie, there's Tiana.
Oh, how cute. Restaurant Tiana.
Restaurant Tiana, she's making her way over. There she is.
I think Nadine's trying to make me something. I think that's what it is.
Oh, that makes sense.
Probably.
Yeah.
Are you on your way to visit your restaurant?
Of course I am.
Of course. She's got stuff to make.
We love your restaurant. We really enjoyed it.
Delicious.
Yeah.
And you have an attraction coming soon, too.
I'm so excited to bring y'all down the bayou.
We are excited,
I'll take you
too.
on an adventure with your taste buds first.
Oh.
And then an adventure down the bayou.
I am
I should
so
have
ready.
reversed it because you might have to wait a little while. You know that.
Yeah.
Hey, we'll have a long
we'll have
line.
fun.
We'll have a long line. That's what we'll digest. Hey, Tiana, can we get a photo with you? Oh, yay. Okay, come on, Charlie.
All right.
Perfect.
Yay.
Everyone say froggies.
Froggies.
Yes.
Awesome.
Thank you, Tiana.
Yay.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you, Tiana.
Don't
Very
cause
excited.
too much trouble around here.
We'll
now.
try.
You never know with us.
We have him with
See, that's
us.
why that big fence is up, to hide the shadow man, keep him away from my restaurant.
You know what? That's a good place for him. It's a haunted mansion.
You know, I thought it would be fitting for him as well.
Keep them distracted.
Yep, there you go.
Yes, please. I'm tired of him trying to get my gumbo.
Yeah.
Got some canoers canoeing.
It's a good day to canoe because it's not sunny.
Yes.
It's also a good day to get on the Columbia if you're thinking about that. Do it on a day like it. June gloom and May gray, that's the time to do it because there is no shade on the Columbia unless you go downstairs.
Yes, you're absolutely right about that. I always dig this statue right here. It's so New Orleans. It's like almost like a fleur de lis, maybe. I don't know what it is.
That's pretty. Has this been here?
I don't know. Like the statues seem to move around, and sometimes they're like covering something, or I don't know.
Yeah, sometimes like the tiniest little change, and you're like, what?
This could have come from Mansion, maybe over in the old Fast Pass queue area.
I keep
know.
seeing a face from my angle on the
Oh
top.
yeah.
I've seen two eyes.
Yeah, two eyes,
Like
and
a
then
mouth.
the. This is how you know you're Disney delirious.
Yeah.
Whoopsie.
Popcorn's over here. Our little Mansion friend. There he is. Hatbox, roasty toasty guy.
Did you see this? They have a s'mores mix-in. Mini marshmallows, brown M&Ms, chocolate candies, and then it looks like Golden Graham cereal.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
The Mansion without a stanchion, without, I don't know.
The mansion without a stanchion.
The Mansion without any stanchion.
Oh boy.
So Harbor Galley, I noticed that the chocolate chip cookie line is like non-existent.
Yeah, it's not half as much as it used to be. Like every time we turn the corner, there would be a pretty significant line.
Yeah.
Now it's not. I didn't see that it's on mobile order because I thought maybe that would affect it. But if you're looking for the chocolate chip cookies, it looks like, safe to say, it's not as bad.
Yeah.
And I can smell them from here, by the way. This is kind of cruel.
Well, you know what it is. I'll tell you what it is that it probably doesn't have any presence in social media anymore. So,
Might be.
no, that's 100% what it is, because when we first saw them, nobody had really posted about it yet.
That's true.
And I'm not saying that we were the ones that posted it first to create the stir. I'm just saying that once it got posted by multiple people,
Yeah.
this line for 2 weeks, 3 weeks was insane. And I 100% equate it to social media.
Yeah, which is crazy. It just shows the power of social media at these
Right.
parks. Another thing, I think they have a new dipping sauce for the cookies, like a cookie butter dipping sauce.
Oh, okay.
So we'll have to try that one of these days.
Yeah. Tiana's update. Nothing's changed since we were here last time, at least right here. Charlie just noticed on this fence here, Old Splash Mountain fence. You can tell because they're acorns. And they probably won't change that because I don't think people even notice it really.
Yeah.
And they're not going to spend money unnecessarily, right, Charlie? I don't think so.
I wouldn't think so.
No,
I wouldn't think I would keep, because look how many years they've been here, and I've never noticed it before.
that's true.
It's like, huh.
And it's kind of neat. It's like they could write it off as an homage and say,
Yeah.
well, we're going to leave it because, you know.
Well, it's still going to be critter country, right?
I think so, because the team is right there. They're still looking over it. As the Columbia makes its way by, Charlie, we are here at the canoes, which canoes are going to close, you guys, July 8th. The canoes are going to close, and this whole area is going to close. Like this entrance to Galaxy's Edge, all of it. And I imagine they're going to close it up by Harbor Galley, where we just were, because there's no need to come back here. And I imagine they'll do a bunch of work to the foreground that, take the walls down. I think the walls get in the way, and it's hard for them to do other stuff. But yeah, no Hungry Bear, nothing. Big closures in July. Yeah, we're not going to be able to check on the bear's progress on getting that honey. Actually, we will from the boats probably.
For the boats?
Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to see in here to see his progress when they close.
Oh, hopefully. Yeah, I do want to ride the train because I want to see a look into like Splash Mountain, Tiana.
Yeah.
Like I kind of want to check that out.
All right, let's do that. Rise is looking mellow. I bet you it's like 60 minutes, maybe less.
Oh no, I'm thinking 35 to 40, maybe 45. That's my guess.
Yeah, because it's only filling to right there.
All right, place your bets, everyone. 45 for me.
Place your bets.
20 minutes.
It doesn't read on camera, but it says 60. I win.
This is also a good time to visit Galaxy's Edge when there's no sun.
Yeah.
Because there's so
mean-
little shade here.
You misspoke. When there's no suns. Plural. Yeah.
But yeah, this is a good time.
Careful. Intergalactic trash can rolling
Intergalactic trash can rolling through.
through. That's what they used to call R2-D2 in high school.
It's all the best theming.
And the suns are now coming out.
Oh yeah.
I think it's starting to get brighter.
There it is.
Bright suns.
Bright suns.
Bright suns.
Yeah, see?
There you go.
All right, we just exited the Galaxy's Edge Batu Nature Trail. There's really nothing. If you walk that route that we just did, there's like literally, there were no characters. There's a lot of cool plants, though, I have to say.
That's the most redeeming thing
Yeah,
in Galaxy's Edge is how amazing.
the nature trail. is.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
They just don't have a name on it, like this is the Batu Nature Trail, but it is 100%, like a little nature trail, like in a park.
I love it.
Yeah. Oh, nice natural gap right here in the crowd. Oh, enjoy it while it lasts because quickly disappears.
It says 10 minutes on the sign. That is not a 10-minute line.
Maybe it just,
Maybe it's due to change. Pearly Band. They're pearly and they're a band. They're the Pearly Band. Pearly, they're a band.
I matched the guy in the orange. I think I'm supposed to be in there.
Oh,
Go,
Charlie.
Charlie,
Yeah,
go.
go. He's always late for his cue. I don't. Yeah.
I think I'm supposed to be there.
Yeah, that would have been so funny.
Get the call.
Next time we're gonna have you just walk next to him and just like, yeah.
And there's the train. The train was cheering you on too.
Oh yeah, it's going
right
through.
When you went, it was like doot doot.
There we go.
Well, speaking of the train, that was our. We had
That's
talked
our
about
mission.
making our next move. It's like let's
It's a
take
good
cover
time.
somewhere.
Yep, good time to do it.
All right, Toontown, Fantasyland Theater, very popular with the Pixar thing. Now that's the kind of line I like seeing for the train right there. Almost non-existent on a
I love
crowded
that
day.
Toontown train depot sign. Even though
Classic.
it's got a cobweb on it.
Oh, that's the original Toontown too. That's a relic right there.
True.
Because remember the sign for the Toontown used to look just like that.
A little bit, yeah.
Now, like we said, Charlie cut ties with Club Pixar, but he still has a say in what goes on over here. This is different than what went on at DCA. So Charlie was just checking on things. He likes to poke his head in and make sure everything's going, the way it should go.
Going accordingly.
Yeah. How many cars?
I'm gonna say 5 or 6. 6.
All right, I say 4.
In the parking lot?
Yeah, like back here.
3.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
What we got going on here?
Hi, guys.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who said 5?
I said 4.
I said 6.
I said 2 or 3.
So you win because you're closest without going over.
We all win because that was cool seeing all those people. That was
That
really
was kind of a win.
All right, are we going to see a monorail go by?
hopefully.
No, I say no.
Daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere. Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astro blasters, and step carefully from the train.
No.
Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
We're going to pass through the Grand Canyon and the primeval world.
This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA. Those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment.
We're now arriving at New Orleans Station. Please remain seated. This station is closed due to construction. No one will be allowed off the train. We'll be here for a couple of minutes. Thank you.
All right, we're on the move. We're going to go see what it looks like in Critter Country once we get through this tunnel at Mansion. Okay, stop the train. We're going to take a look at Critter Country. Man, big pile of dirt in the middle there. And just for fun, let's dissolve back to when Splash Mountain first closed last year. I think it was, this shot is, I think, from June. And then now back to today. Top center of this photo here, you can see the briar patch still sitting there. It hasn't really been changed much. Going to be turned into Ray's Berets. They've obviously taken out the snack in place cart that's right there. And interestingly, I didn't think they would do this, but I guess it's to protect it. But they've taken down the Winnie the Pooh sign for the attraction right there, you can see. And yeah, there's really nothing around except for an existing tree. So there it is, big pile of dirt. Let's continue. All right, that was crazy. Dude, we got the shave and a haircut with the Mark Twain. So cool.
Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. These column signals are transition from the frontier to another kind of view, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown People. Monorail and us.
Yeah.
Unfilled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required.
Nailed
Behind
it.
the soaring spaceships.
Dude, there was a little horn correspondence too. All right, we're in the heart of Tomorrowland, and the clouds kind of came back. It's kind of this weird day where it's kind of back and forth, and
Half cloudy, half sunny.
yeah, well, look at this line for Pizza Planet is packed.
Pizza Planet's packed.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like Peter Piper pack of pickled peppers.
Talk about the
Peter
Run DMC
Piper-
song.
What?
Peter Piper, Run DMC.
You
A Peter
know.
Piper, big peppers for
No,
Run
I
Rock
do.
Rhymes.
It says 35 for Space Mountain.
No way.
That's what it says.
They must have just reopened it. Yeah, 35 minutes. That's weird.
I know, that's so low. So I'm kind of wondering if maybe it closed
Maybe
down.
it's shut down.
That could be
Although
it.
they would immediately take the
I
time
was
down.
gonna say normally like that goes down right away. Maybe everybody was at Pizza Planet and they're all leaving.
And single riders back to the end of the corridor here.
So they're doing single rider today?
Yeah. Every day that we've been here, they've done it.
Pretty much, yeah, that's consistent. I wonder if it's because it's the busy season now.
Maybe. Usually the line starts here when it's longer, because last time the line started further in the hallway and it was kind of shorter. Who knows?
Oh, okay. I never noticed Zerg holding a churro in here.
Somebody's got to do the heavy lifting.
That's kind of cute. That's actually really cute. I would totally buy that.
Astro Blasters 35. It's hard to figure out these days. It was like this with Grad Night where it feels crowded. And then some of the ride times seem shorter than they would be for a crowded day. It's very odd. Because like, I'm sorry, but this line when it goes into Pixie Hollow is not, yeah. Well, that sun came out and we're out of here. It's getting too hot.
I think the humidity.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is.
The humidity is making it hotter than the actual heat.
Yeah,
Kinda
so
stifling.
yeah, so if you're coming, just kind of be prepared. Again, you may come from a place where there's a ton of humidity, but we got a little bit of humidity here in California.
A little bit. Thank you to our Patreons. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.